What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on XRP because the huge pump on this coin probably just started, and in this video I will show you the exact setup that I'm currently watching here and also the potential price I think XRP is gonna hit. So if you are interested in that, definitely watch this video till the end. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group. So if you want to know about the exact setups and exact trades that I'm taking, then definitely don't forget to join, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on the 4-hour chart. If you saw my previous XRP analysis, you know that I informed you about this falling wedge that we were forming here. Also, you know that in my VIP trading group, we already opened a long position on this coin after a support confirmation in this area, and right now we are in the nice profit. If you, for example, want to copy my exact trades, then definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group because I'm sharing there those setups every single day. Link to join is in the description or in the comments. But as I said, guys, in my opinion, this pump on this coin is definitely far from over, and the most important resistance that we need to break now is this current high, which is on the level 2.9. You can see that historically in this area we don't have almost any liquidity, and the current all-time high is sitting on a $3.5 mark. So me personally, I think that from this point we are gonna hit this level. If you wanna take advantage of this and you want to open some long position, then for example opening a long position right now is actually not that great idea, because with the long position that we created in this area, we can place the stop losses under these bullish order blocks, which are between levels 2.40 and 2.28, which will give us really safe stop loss. But on this point it will be a potential loss around like 15%. So if you are gonna speculate to this $3.5 mark, so even if you will take like one take profit target, the risk reward ratio will be only 2. So the only thing that you can do is to have lower and more risky stop loss, which will give you a good risk reward ratio. But in my opinion, the potential of pullback here is really probable. So something like this I definitely would not enter. You can trade this move, in my opinion, in two ways. The first one will be to actually place the stop loss under these bullish order blocks and then place your last take profit target on a higher last take profit. And me personally, I think that in this bull market there is pretty high probability that we are gonna achieve $5 mark, which will give you from this point a risk reward ratio around 5.6, which is really great. Definitely in this case you want to take multiple take profit targets, so some of the profits you definitely want to take like under the current high, under $3.5 mark, $4 mark, which will be next important psychological resistance, 4.5, and then you want to save some back to a last take profit target. So in the end the risk reward ratio will be more like 3.8 something like that, which is still really good scenario. The second way how you can trade this will be again to place the last take profit target under $5 mark, and in this case you are speculating here for a breakout of this current level, because in my opinion a lot of people who will be opening a short position somewhere in this area, they will probably put their stop losses above this current high, because once we will break it there is no further resistance that the short traders can use, which basically means that they will be long and there will be enough power for another pump. This is also called a short squeeze. Stop loss in this case is like really up to you. You need to have here like good risk reward ratio. Me personally, I would use risk reward ratio like 10.4, which will give us potential stop loss around like 6.7%. And also you want to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits you want to take under like $3.5 mark, 4.5, and then you can save some back to a last take profit target. So in this case the risk reward ratio will be more like 7.2, something like that. which is really good scenario. But also I need to say that this scenario is kinda risky because we are not waiting here for that support confirmation. Actually, like, you can wait here, but there is also pretty high risk that this coin will just continue with its pump. I think that's the most probable scenario, so you probably don't want to wait here for that support confirmation, but then you are risking a potential fake out. So always use strict risk management, and for a trade like this I would not risk more than, for example, 0.7% of your trading capital. Yeah, something like that, because if this trade will be profitable, then the profit will be still really huge, even with a smaller amount. If you want to buy here some pullback on the 1 hour chart, then the closest support area is this new bullish order block, which is between levels 2.48 and 2.44. And in case of a liquidity grab under and then a support confirmation, this can be actually another good long opportunity. Stop loss in this case you want to place under the low that we will create during the fake out. Last take profit targets you can place under the current high, which will give you risk reward ratio around 7. Or if you really want, you can place it under that $3.5 mark, which will give you itself risk reward ratio almost 16. So even if you will take like 5-6 take profit targets, which I'm really recommend doing for a small trade like this, because yeah, there can be a quick bounce up after a support confirmation, and then you can take some of the profits and then move your stop loss to entry, so you can't turn that profitable position into a loss. The exact take profit targets can then look like this. So some of it you can, for example, take, as I said, under the current high, under this high, under this high, something also like under $3 mark, 3.2, and then you can save some back to a last take profit target. So in the end, the risk reward ratio will be like 12, 11, something like that, which is another absolutely amazing setup. And let's now take a look on a weekly time frame. A lot of you ask me if right now it's like a good idea to open a long-term long position. You know that I'm mostly a trader, so I'm buying coins for a short-term hold. But if we will take a look on the hold chart, you can see that the XRP is from the all-time high, also from the year like 2017, is right now down only like 25%, and the pump was already around like 500%, something like that. And do I think that right now there is like a good opportunity to buy this coin to your long-term portfolio? Well, it depends on what returns you actually want, because in my opinion, as I said, there is pretty high probability that we are gonna hit like $5-6, which will give us another like 90 to like 126 of a net market profit. And like, is this enough for you? If yes, then yeah, you can still buy this coin, because in my opinion, as I said, there is actually pretty high probability that we are gonna achieve these levels. But if you, for example, want to find some gems which will give you potential like 10x, something like that, then I think like XRP is not the way. Because guys, do you actually think like XRP can hit like $15-20 and it will be the biggest crypto? Like, I know that everything is possible in a crypto market, but me personally, I think there is actually no way that XRP is gonna flip Bitcoin in the market cap. So yeah, I would stick to that my $5-6 mark. And if you want to aim for this, then yeah, you can buy it to your long-term portfolio. But if you, for example, knew about XRP and you didn't bought it on like these lower levels, if you did, congratulations, you are right now in amazing profits. But if you didn't, like, why you want to buy it right now? Because right now I think that if it comes to returns, we can find some, let's say, more interesting projects. Okay guys, thank you everybody for watching this video. This is definitely not a hate for XRP. I have currently long position that I opened in my VIP trading group, and we are right now in a nice profit. So me personally, I really like this coin. I made amazing profits on this, but some of you ask me what I think about adding XRP to the long-term portfolio on the current prices. So yeah guys, this will be all for me for today. Thanks for watching, and if you, as I said, want to copy my exact trades, or if you simply want to know about my analysis, definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group, where I am sharing these types of setups every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. So yeah, this will be all from me for today. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in my next video. See ya.